So my next magic trick for my second load I have. Here we go, ready?
No!
Huh? Stop. Oh, stop what?
Alright, oh my god, that's so good.
Don't be banging on my door, bro.
Alright guys, so we got here, did our pre-trip, turned the key, and it does nothing. Looks like we got someone here to help us. But I checked that truck already, I checked that truck over there. Huh?
I had him in the back of the house.
Oh my god. We're gonna go ahead and open the hood and give it a jump. I'm guessing it's this one right here. And that one right there. Oh, probably these two. This is the ground. One of these is gonna be the ground. Is it working? Alright, so we got the cables hooked up. That's working. He's not talking much, so I'm guessing he's in a bad mood. Or maybe he's just tired. I don't know. God, you gotta do all this to get to the battery. And it still has these two bolts right here. Oh, okay, just one. Are those working? Yeah.
Yep.
Alright. Huh?
Why you get loose like that, man?
Put these in the back of your car? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright guys, so we got the truck started. Thankfully. Alright, so we got that part on. Now you gotta put these on. I'm good? Alright. See you later, I'm gonna take off. Thank you. Alright, we're good to go, but let's do a tug test. Fuck it. Just to be safe. To do a tug test, you pull out the trailer brake, put it in gear, you pull forward, and just make sure the trailer don't fall off. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, let's go fuel up. Alright guys, so alright guys, so we just arrived on site. Just filled out my ticket. What's up, brother?
What's up, bro?
What does that cup want?
I had an accident with a pickup truck.
Oh, right now? Fuck.
I hit the mirror
Okay.
on the driver's side.
Shit.
The cop said he stopped. I mean, but it's like I told the cop, it's common sense, and I told the guy now. Common sense tells you to back off a truck, you know?
Yeah.
But they didn't do it.
Oh man, that's so good. Gracias, mi amigo. Alright. Ticket signed. Thankfully, he's cool. So, that out. Alright guys, so we're back at this job off the highway. The sketchy job. I've never entered through this side. I've always done a turnaround, came back. So this is a first. Feels a little bit safer on this side, not even gonna lie. The ground doesn't feel as slanted. So that's a plus. Now right here, where I'm coming up to, this feels a little bit sketchy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh damn. That feels ugly. I don't know if you could tell, but my truck is fucking slanted like a mother. I do not like this feeling. Oh hell no! I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna go turn around, cause fuck that. That felt bad. Whew. All right, I'm reversing. I'm gonna get back on the highway, take the exit how I usually do it. All right, we got a couple cars coming. After this last white car, I'm getting on. Oh my God, that felt ugly. Thank you God for keeping me safe. Even the other truck driver was laughing. He pointed back for me to turn around. So, all right, guys. So we came the way we usually come, which is I went through the turnaround, came back this way. I'm gonna have to move over to the left 2 lanes to get into the grass. So let's go ahead and do it. All right. So there's this little SUV about to pass me. After this SUV, I'm scooting over and slowing down. Thank you, God, for keeping me safe, dog. I mean, not dog, but, you know. All right, so we're gonna turn on our hazards. Oh shit, that's not our hazards. Turn on our hazards, and I'm gonna slow down to about 20 miles an hour. Maybe a little bit less, I don't know. Nah, 20 miles an hour is good. So around to about 20 miles an hour. Pull in here slowly because you never know. Anyways, I don't know if you can tell, there's quite a bit of traffic today. So 20 miles an hour, I'm going about 10 miles an hour now. All right, we made it. We made it. Told us to open up. Getting back on the highway. Most dangerous part, because some of these fuckers don't give a damn. Like this guy that wasn't paying attention probably. Hold on, babe, hold on. Oh.
Why are you laughing at me?
No way, you're like. So my next magic trick for For my second load, I have. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It is gonna be kind of tough getting down from here.
Yeah, because that looks like a good gap.
I'm gonna get off right here. That wasn't bad. You have me paranoid for no reason. Literally. You said it looks bad. It was not bad.
No, it's not.
Thanks a lot.
That side, it looks worse.
No, it doesn't.
The slope? Yes. Yes. Look at that one in the middle. How much it's leaning. Imagine coming down that way.
Shut up. What?
You're so mean.
No, you're just.
You better put that.
You're so. I'm not gonna put that. You're so dramatic. I'll put this whole argument. You hear me?
This isn't an argument.
Yeah, you're right. Calling me mean?
Yes, that was me.
Oh no! Don't. Your customer service voice. You do not talk like that at home. My tarp's not working. Yep. Let's see what happened. Come here, come over here so you can press the button for me. This one should be the tarp. Oh, I found it, hold on. So I guess this shit just came out. I gotta tighten that. I don't got a screwdriver though. Let's see, try it. That button under the seat, right there. The other one, yeah, that one. Do it like that. Now, are you a mechanic or something? So I've learned not to breathe whenever I'm getting in the truck, because I'm like, the mic catches every fucking noise I make.
Watch your profanity.
What?
Yes, because these cars don't fuck over.
They better move over now. I'm gonna eat real quick.
Oh.
Let's see what you packed me for lunch. Are you recording?
I want you to talk.
Check it out, chat. Check it out, chat. Oof, albondigas. Alright. I already tried them. They were delicious yesterday, so I know they're gonna be delicious. Alright. Oh my god, that's so good. You know, even the juice is good when you start drinking it. Shit, we gotta hurry. Here we go, ready?
No!
Huh?
Stop.
Oh, stop what?
There's a bus coming.
I know, I see the bus coming. I just asked if you're ready. I said I was going right then and there.
He's not moving out the way.
He's not moving out the way.
Idiots, man. All of you. All of you.
Alright, so it's 3:30. We're about to get loaded with our last load. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. There might be already though, since it's pretty late. But let's hope it's a smooth ride back and then back to the yard. ¿Ya estoy listo? Okay, thank you. Tenga buena tarde. Hasta luego. Alright, so we finally made it to the yard. It's 5:18. It was a great day. Thank God.
Say hi.
Hi, Papa. Is it his birthday?
Tell him fist pump. No, not him.
No.
It's the other. Fist pump.
Oh, you dropped your pocket.
Pick it up.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, mijo.
That was just one.
Tomorrow he said you're doing flatbed.
Okay.
Don't be banging on my door, bro.
Okay, thank you.
I better not be on that.
You're gonna be on it.